For someone watching this who thinks they've missed out in the past, can they go back and claim those credits retroactively?
Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. For instance, on the cost seg studies, you can because there's a process called the 3115 method where you're correcting you know, you're going from the wrong to the right method of accounting basically for depreciation. And so that one you can definitely go back, and there's really no limit to how far you can go back. For the countable plan and Augusta rule, like I said, we never go backwards on those because you really have to do the accounting, do the work, do the activity that is the reason why you're doing that activity. You can't just say, oh, I had 14 meetings back then when I never even heard of Augusta and I didn't keep track of my meetings. We don't do that. That's what those doctors did that it got denied. Then accountable reimbursable plan, you have to do these contemporaneous expense reports. You submit monthly expense reports, get reimbursed monthly. That's how the books get on that's how the deduction gets on the books of the S Corp, is the S Corp reimburses the owner to for the business use of their home. So some things you can go back on, some things you can't. Like Augusta and accountable, you can't go back on. Cost seg studies, you can go back on. S Corp elections, you can go back on. You can do late S elections if you qualify for the right reasons. Most people do.